I'm Professor G.D. Yadav, former Vice Chancellor of Institute of Chemical Technology, Mumbai, currently serving as a Bhatnagar Fellow of CSIR. I was also the National Science Chair of SCRB, now called ANRF, and I'm involved in many policy-making bodies of the Government of India. Well, I have been working on, the so-called net negative technologies, meaning thereby I'm interested in green hydrogen, decarbonization of the economy, valorization of waste biomass, waste plastics, and ensuring that these are converted into some valuable products which are useful to society at large. So my research has been concentrated in these areas, and one of the most important parts which we did was the green hydrogen production using water splitting, but ours is a little different technology that uses thermochemical processes using the so-called copper-chlorine cycle. Then this green hydrogen, in which we are using solar energy as the source of energy, we use for making methane, LPG, higher hydrocarbons, and also going to work on the so-called sustainable aviation fluid. This is one part of the story. Another is, the so-called depolymerization or valorization of waste plastic from plastic, where we can use some chemical processes like chemolysis, hydrolysis, methanolysis, aminolysis, ammonolysis, and depolymerization. So it is called plastic downgrading, upgrading, and recycling. This is one of the most important areas for India as a whole. And at the same time, I'm also interested in bio-based chemicals using biomass, whether it is waste biomass or purposely grown grasses, into some new chemicals which are important for us, because right now, as you know, Hormuz has created a lot of problems for us, and we are hugely dependent on imported crude oil. In the future, we may not be required to do it because we can develop these technologies based on renewable biomass in our own countries. And also it will give value added income to the farmers who are currently not making use of this agri-waste. AI has caught the attention of every commoner, whether they understand or not. Remember, AI is not going to substitute manufacturing. AI means you will access huge amount of data from some database, analyze that data quickly, maybe in a fraction of a second, and provide solution based on what is available. The real use of AI will be in predictive maintenance based on the available data which have been analyzed and used to predict maintenance, for example, when this reactor will go bad or something like that. So AI is not substitute for a human ingenuity. Human mind is highly ingenious. AI is just supplementing it. It just enhances the rate at which you do this, analysis of data. So maybe instead of going to the library and reading voluminous data, you may get it. But remember, there is a catch, and the catch is the data must be faithful. The data must have been generated by people who know the accuracy of this data. Otherwise, AI will give you wrong answers. So AI and ML are not substitute for the student's imagination. Work hard, never give up. Tomorrow is always a better day.